Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I will be showing you how I make my chicken strips and potato wedges. I hope you enjoy this recipe, and if you haven't subscribed as yet, kindly please do so. Like, share, and press that notification bell to be notified when I upload another video. So let's get right into the kitchen. So I cut these chicken strips into 1-inch size pieces. Now I place them into a dish, and I did wash these chicken strips with some lime and salt and vinegar. And of course, once I'm done with that, I strain the water out and I make sure I use a paper towel and sap them dry just so that they would hold the seasoning well. So now it's time for me to season the strips. I'm now adding some salt along with some smoked paprika and some ginger powder, garlic powder, and some black pepper. Mix it well, and now I'm going to add 1 egg along with 1 tablespoon of sour cream and give it a good mix, making sure that everything is well combined and all the pieces of the chicken strips are well coated with this mixture. Once this is done, I'm going to set it aside and let it sit there for 1 hour. So after 1 hour, this is what the chicken strips looks like. I'm going to go right over to start preparing the potatoes for frying. So while this is being done here, I'm cutting them just like this. You feel free to cut them any size that you so desired. I have a pan over medium heat with some boiling water. Now I'm going to add some salt into this water along with the potatoes and let this boil for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes of boiling, here I turn the heat off from under the pot, cover it and let it sit for another 2 minutes. Now I'll add 1 tablespoon of flour into a dish, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, and I'm going to season this with a little bit of salt along with some black pepper, some smoked paprika, some dry thyme, and I will give this a good mix, making sure that everything is well combined. Once I'm done mixing this, I went right over and strained the potato, making sure that all the water gets out. Place it onto a cutting board with paper towel and just pat it dry, making sure that I get most of the water out. So it's time to coat the potatoes with the seasoned flour. And once I do this, I'm going to just place them onto the cutting board. And while I'm doing this, guys, I have a pot with oil ready for frying. So I'm going to fry the chicken first, then I'll fry the potatoes after. So once they're golden brown and nice like this, Just remove them, place them onto a paper towel on a dish and set them aside. So this is what the chicken tenders looks like. What a beautiful golden color. Now I'm going to start frying the potatoes. And you want to fry them until they're golden brown. Now that they're brown and nice, I'm going to remove them, place them onto a paper towel into a dish, and set this aside. I'll now make a dip to go with my chicken strips and potato wedges. I have 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise, 1/4 cup of tomato ketchup. I'll put some black pepper in here, along with some hot peppers for heat, and if you do not like anything that is spicy, you can leave that out. I also add some parsley. Mix it well until it is smooth and nice. So I finished whipping up my dip. It is smooth and nice, served with my crispy, juicy chicken tender strips, along with some golden brown potato wedges. And this dip is so heavenly, guys. You need to give this recipe a try and leave me a comment below. Let me know how it turned out. So don't you forget to check the description box below. I will leave all the measurements and ingredients, and thank you for coming. I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.